Welcome to Pi42, where the future of crypto future trading begins. Today, we are guiding you through the simple yet secure sign-up process. You have two options to kickstart your Pi42 experience. Option 1. Use your email. Enter your email ID and create a unique account password. Option 2. Use Google Sign Up. You can directly sign up using the email ID stored in your browser profile. If you have chosen Google Sign Up, you will need to set your unique account password next. Now let's verify your email ID. An OTP is sent to your email from Pi42. Check your inbox, find our email, and enter the OTP to verify. Great! Now let's secure your account further. Enter your 10-digit Indian mobile number. An OTP will be sent to your mobile as an SMS. Enter the OTP received on your mobile to verify. And just like that, you're in. Welcome to Pi42. Your journey into the world of crypto future trading begins now.